In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the trunk support piston on this Lexus IS. There are two of these, one on each arm of the trunk lid, and this is what helps open it once you actually unlatch it. Let's get started. To access these, we're going to have to pull the corner of the carpeting down on both sides. So unclip it. It's not really clipped in, it's more velcroed and kind of just formed into place. And then all along the top you'll have these clips that just hook on, so just pull them back and unhook them. In the center you have the light, just pull down on that. You can unplug it if you want. That way you can have a little bit more slack in the carpeting. On the trunk lid side you have a typical connection here where there's a little metal clip that you can pry out with a small screwdriver or a pick, and then you can unlock your strut or piston. Then you can pull your tool out, let this hang. On the other side you have a clip that locks it all in. You want to pry it out just a little bit. That should be enough to wiggle this, unlock it, and pull it off, and there it is. Now we do have to remove this clip and transfer it over, so all you need is something that'll pry it straight up off of its retainer. All right. There it is. We're going to squish these two tabs back together. You can see they're a little bit further apart than they should be now. And we'll slide this over the new support piston. Here's the new support piston. We'll slide this down. I closed the gap a little bit on those top hooks. All right, that's bottomed out completely. And this is ready to lock back in. So let's do just that. Slide it over and make sure you listen for that click when it locks in. Perfect. If you try to slide it out, it won't slide out. Bring this up to the trunk lid. You might need to push out on the trunk lid a little bit. Press that on, and there you go. Test the operation. Everything's good. Now do the same on the other side before you put the carpeting back. Plug your light back in, tuck it in its compartment, and then hook the carpet back on with all the clips that you removed. There we go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.